And now for today's Bitcoin market update. 2048, nothing to really report back there. 512 looks a bit intimidating for those who don't really understand the markets. We're just being patient with the 512 for now. The 128, 7 moving to 8. The question is, how's it switched? Is it moving to the upside? It looks like it, but we're inside a kill zone. All right. We want the price to get into the white area over here for it to be significant to us. Right now, that's not there. Unfortunately, a waiting game. The 32 is exactly as we said it was going to be yesterday. Now moving into the market. Now putting turning point 4, the low for quadrant 2, down so it can build to turning point 5. Now with this scaling, this seems a bit small. Expand that. Looking a bit better. And now we wait for price to basically climb along to wherever it needs to go next. So let's figure that out in advance. This would be a counter trend position if you get in. Not really recommended. Turning point spacing. We're in the second quadrant, as I mentioned to, is moving to 5. Scaling looks tidy. Kill zone looks good. Time projection, we already passed the threshold for the PRI, so that's looking good. Our considerations are the 200% and 300%. It'll be better if it gets across to 300%, as it needs to move over a bit, unless it comes to 200% and drops down. So what I'm talking about here is either going to see something like that, or that goes to there and then moves. Looking at the 128, I think it's going to go further up first. So from there to maybe there. It doesn't seem likely, does it? Because of all the consolidating moves that we're having to put through our patience right now. The oscillator is open and up. Price projection 2.5 is conservative, so we can look at that range, and then resistance and support we can get into now. So to help us, what I'm going to do is start identifying areas where it's not going to form the next high. Price is already past that point, so that becomes a non-probability. Price is already past that point, so that's a non-probability. Let's get into focus mode. Anything further than this region is unlikely, and anywhere above turning point 3 is unlikely, otherwise it will be considered a uptrend. So this is our realm of possibility. Our first price is set to be about 200%, so we'll knock that out. The fan lines, the raise rather, I was saying that's our minimum. Any price there is unlikely as well. So we're starting to look as if price wants to get into this area. So I'm going to leave a marker there for now. I'm not going to get too specific and allow it to do its thing. And that's it for today's market updates. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Ciao for now.